DW Manufacturing's DG 16-inch diamond grinder polisher is your all-in-one unit for surface preparation, coating removal, and concrete polishing to a high gloss shine. The 16-inch floating head is adjusted up and down using spring pressure, giving the operator infinite adjustability. A rubber and brush shroud keeps the machine virtually dust-free when connected to the A101 pulse vacuum. The DG-16 comes equipped with 220-volt single-phase, 440-volt three-phase, or Honda gas motor options. With a head rotation speed of 1800 RPMs, this grinder has the power needed to remove paint and epoxy coatings, as well as grind over uneven seams. To begin, connect diamond grinder to A101 pulse vacuum. All new DG-16 grinders come equipped with 30 grit coarse diamonds used for coating removal, surface preparation, and in the initial polishing stages. Start the vacuum and then start the grinder. Lower grinder head. Adjust down pressure with adjustment knob. Maximum down pressure is achieved when amp gauge reads 15. Grind over area. After grinding over area with coarse 30 grit diamonds, remove tooling and replace with 80 grit diamonds. Grind over area. Remove 80 grit diamond tooling and install polishing pad mounts. Attach Velcro-backed 140 grit pre-polished diamond tooling to the polishing pad mounts. Be sure to start unit with the head down when using tooling with the polishing pad mounts. Grind over area. Remove pre-polish 140 grit diamond tooling from the polishing pad mount. Install first set of 50 grit polishing pads and start unit with the head down and continue to grind over area. Replace 50 grit polishing pad with 100 grit polishing pad and continue to grind over area. Replace 100 grit polishing pad with 400 grit polishing pad and grind over area. Replace 400 grit polishing pad with 800 grit polishing pad and continue to grind over the area. Continue to do this process until you have reached your desired gloss. The DG-16 is capable of production rates of over 1,000 square feet per hour. Coarse diamond segments for coating removal as well as surface preparation, and fine resin pads for concrete polishing make the DG-16 diamond grinder one of the most versatile grinders in the industry today.